can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Hello you guys, welcome to the very first episode of 12 Days of Christmas. Woohoo! I'm so excited. So I am not doing Vlogmas this year. I'm doing 12 Days of Christmas and today is day 1. So you guys better check back every single day. We're gonna have 12 days of back-to-back videos leading up to Christmas Eve. So you guys should please come along. I'm excited. I feel like this is the happy medium between doing Vlogmas and not doing Vlogmas, because y'all know I can't do Vlogmas. I've tried 2 years, it never works. So I think this is the best way to go. So episode 1, let's go. Okay, so today is Saturday. It's a very wet, cold Saturday here in New York City, but that's fine. You know, I'm ready for the weather. I'm dressed warm and everything. My husband and I are about to go Christmas decor shopping, which I admit I probably left to the very last minute, and I hope there's still like stock in all the stores that I want to go to. I'm hopeful, but I have been keeping my eyes on certain stores, so I do have some backups if things don't go well. Like, I'm definitely not going to Target, absolutely not. Like, I see even on the website things are sold out. So we want to go to Home Goods, and then there's this store in our neighborhood. I really don't know what it's called. It's just one of those neighborhood stores that maybe has a name, maybe doesn't. I'm not sure. I'll find out. They look like they have a lot of like sparkly stuff from the street, it looked like. So we're gonna stop by there and see what's in that store before going to Home Goods, and then maybe pick some things out in Home Goods. And then afterwards I want to go to Bath and Body Works because they're having their annual candle day, which is like a huge sale on some of their candles, and I really need to get a few of those because those candles last like a year. So if I get those, I'm stocked. Yes.
I'm ready.
You ready? Okay. Okay. You guys look like you're having a very intense discussion, so I don't want to. Just give me a few minutes. I just want my other battery to charge a bit. I forgot to charge it.
Apparently there was also my mom. Well, the reason she called me was apparently there was a meteorite dropped in central New York.
Well, they said it was a meteorite drop and it was felt in some parts of Manhattan, like the landing. Didn't necessarily hit central New York.
Apparently it was like such a boom.
Well, I didn't feel it, to be honest.
Yeah, it sounded like
so, and I mean, I was in Manhattan the past few days too, so.
Oh, so it wasn't today? It was like over the weekend or something?
Or was it over the weekend? Because I heard about it. I didn't check when it was.
Yeah, I think it was either over the week or...
Yeah, it was during the week. That's what I'm saying. I was in Manhattan a lot this week.
Yeah, I thought it was even today.
No, it wasn't today. I read about it. I read about it yesterday. I didn't feel nothing, so...
So I was like, really?
You know, honestly, in New York, there's so many sounds and things dropping and popping.
So I was like, yeah.
That honestly, I've gotten, like, initially, if I hear a siren or whatever, I'd always look out the window. But now I'm just like, oh, okay, next one.
Yeah, something's moving over.
So anyway, let me show you guys my outfit. My battery is flashing, but I'm gonna show you guys still. So I'm wearing, guys, I feel like you guys know this bodysuit. It's from Pretty Little Things, my favorite black bodysuit. These jeans are Fashion Nova. This belt is from Aldo. Hold on, my brother's calling me. Hello?
Hello?
Ngiyan? Na. Nduvita no afatwe hama?
Oh, I
Oh, I also wanted some of the bigger ones to like balance it out. Yeah. So I don't know if you want to buy now.
You want to buy
and
now?
carry them, or like come back on our way,
Yeah,
right?
we can come to the on our way.
Yeah.
So you got the things you wanted?
Oh, I've seen they have nice ornaments. Not sure about these bows, because I did also want to mix in some blue stuff.
Yeah, these were good, right?
I know. Then the only other thing, yeah, so maybe I'll get some of these too. Yeah. Okay, guys. So hold on, guys. So this is the first store, and I've seen a few things that I like. But we're gonna leave and come back later because it's close to our house. So now we're gonna go into Manhattan and pick up or look for some more things. Can we actually look if they have stockings in here too? No, not those are really basic. Well, okay. I mean, thank you for pointing those out. Let's see if they have a variety. What is up, you guys? So today is the next day. Yesterday's Christmas shopping was a lot. Like we went to Home Goods and it was so useless, to be honest. Like they had a lot of stuff, but their Christmas selection was just so poor. And then we ended up going to TJ Maxx, and we did get a few things there. And there was actually like a Michael's store, which here in the US is this like a home craft thing store. They just have a bunch of stationery stuff, like, you know, it reminds me of Jenny's Place, but like expanded in Windhoek. And there was one right next door, but the queue there was just ridiculous. So we just decided to come home and go to our neighborhood store, the one that I showed in the first place, and that place was the actual plug. The only problem is that things actually like sold out, because like there were things that we had seen in the morning, and then when we went back in the afternoon they were not there. But I quickly want to show you guys some of the things that I got, actually all of the things that I got. I know that this might seem like a lot for some people, but the thing is that this is actually the first time that we are decorating for Christmas as a couple, as husband and wife, like since we moved in together. And that's just because last year we were in a place of transition and it didn't make sense to decorate for Christmas. And so this is our first time, and I'm excited because it's really an opportunity, I suppose, for us to make our own memories and, like, you know, create our own traditions. So please don't come for me if it's a lot for you. Best believe I saved for it, and I bought it on discount because, guys, I went to only like the cheapest stores. Okay, so first things first, got the Christmas tree ornaments, the balls, whatever, the shatterproof Christmas balls. I got these in silver, and I also got them in gold. I got them in silver and in gold. So these are the gold ones. I got these huge gold ones, and then I also got smaller gold ones. I'm going for like a green, gold and silver vibe. I feel like that's super elegant, super classy, and so that's like everything that I got was in that color scheme, and that's kind of what I'm working with. Okay, and then I also got some stockings for us to hang up over here by the TV, because we don't like have a fireplace, but we're gonna pretend we do. So that's what we're using. We got some of the stockings, and then I got this wreath that I want to use as a centerpiece on our coffee table. So I'm actually going to put a candle in here, and I'll show you guys what that looks like later. There's so many bags here, but like there's nothing in the bags. They literally pack like one thing per item. And then I got some bows, just to, you know, guys, when you decorate with fake presents under your tree. So I got some bows for that. What else did I get? Oh, and then I got this window display piece that says Merry and Bright. just to put in our window so that our window can look a bit festive and, you know, just fun and playful and Christmassy. Right? What did I get? Oh no! Push this in back. And then we got this like car. It's like a little car carrying like Christmas things. I thought I'd use this as the display in our kitchen. So you guys know that in our kitchen we have that wooden board with the where I put the flowers always. So I'm gonna replace that with this Christmassy one just for the season. What else? Okay, and then I got a bunch of like ornaments to put on the tree. So just like a bunch of like gold flowery things, these kind of things to put on the tree. I also got some gold ribbon. I don't know if it will be enough. I really hope it will be, but the thing is that by the time I went to go get a second one of these, like 2 minutes later, it was gone, sold out. I also got some bows to put on the tree as well. All this stuff has so much glitter and it's getting everywhere. And I'm actually quite irritated. It's just too much glitter for me. Yeah, so this bag is pretty much just full of these kinds of like ornaments that I'm gonna hang on the tree. Nothing extra or anything, just a bunch of glittery ornaments. What's in here? Oh, right. And then I also got this wreath for the door, for our front door. So this is going to be our main wreath that we're going to put on the front door. Then what else did I get? Oh yeah, we got ourselves some Christmas sweaters. You know, the ugly ones, because you know we're doing the whole white Christmas thing. So we're doing it by the book. We're trying as much of the trends as we can. And then this morning, I actually went to Target and picked up a few more things, which guys, whoo, the glitter, it's too much. But like, it's this like little tree that I want to put as a display by my console table. I'm being so careful with it because the glitter is falling everywhere and I don't want my house to look like a sparkling 5-year-old's dream home. Wow, guys, the glitter that has come off these things. Wow, it's a lot, hey? Oh my gosh. Wow, I don't think this bag can ever be used again. You guys should see the inside of this bag. I actually got 2 of them at 2 different heights, just so you can have that depth situation going on. I always think that gives a very nice vibe. I'm just gonna put this glittery situation back in here. And then I also got some hangers for our stockings, because obviously we don't have like a proper fireplace or anything. So I'm gonna use these to hang up the why are they so heavy? They have lights on them. Interesting. So I got these to hold up our stockings. And that's actually pretty much everything that I got. Oh yes, and I got a snow globe. I got a snow globe. I'm holding it with paper because it was in the same bag as the thing with the glitter, and it's just so glittery. It's too glittery. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I got. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting pieces around the house, and I'll obviously share that with you guys, so you guys can see all of that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Of course, I'll reveal the entire house in my next episode of 12 Days of Christmas. So this will be episode 1. Yeah, so catch you guys then, and Merry Christmas.
All the way